Mr. Bunker, do you have an attorney?
He seems to be defending himself, Your Honor.
Like I was defending myself in my cab.
Now, you must plead guilty or innocent, and I'll set a date for trial. And, Mr. Bunker, I suggest you hire a lawyer.
Yeah, but Judge, what do I need a lawyer for? I don't even know why I'm in court, just because I squirted tear gas at a mug.
You mean you actually used that weapon?
Oh, damn right.
Archie!
You were only charged with possession.
This is a new ball game, Your Honor. Using a dangerous weapon is assault. That's a felon.
Wait a minute.
With a possible penalty of 7 years in prison.
7 years? 7 years? Did you hear? 7 years for self-defending myself against a criminal?
Now, I have no sympathy for criminals, Mr. Bunker. But the law is the law, and it applies to both of you.
Yeah, but Mr. Judge, you got a criminal running around on the loose there with me. I'm a law-abiding citizen, and I'm up the creek in a boat with a hole.
As Mr. Bunker's daughter, I've got to say something.
That woman is out of order, Your Honor.
Well, only for the next 3 weeks, then she'll be back to normal.
Please be seated. Officer Garsky, I see in your file on this case that the assailant, one Yanis Bedreski, has been apprehended and has made a full confession.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good. Lock him up in Dannemora.
We can't. He's been released.
He has been released? Why?
Because the arresting officer violated proper procedure. He read Mr. Bedreski's rights to him in English, and Mr. Bedreski doesn't understand or speak English.
Well, no bum that can't speak perfect English ought to stay in this country, ought to be de-exported the hell out of here. Listen, Mrs. Judge, some system of jurisprudence we got here. I mean, he's a foreign-born criminal running around on the loose, and the law was coming down on a native-born American and a veteran American at that with a butt full of shrapnel from Italy. That's true, Judge. That's why I ain't took my wife dancing in 30 years.
Madam Judge, and Archie has a Purple Heart and a Good Conduct Medal.
Mrs. Bunker, you're out of order.
No, she ain't pregnant. It's the daughter.
Excuse me. Your Honor, I may be out of order, but do you call this justice? My husband and I have given a lot of thought to civil liberties, human rights, equal treatment for all, and now you free a criminal and deny my father, an honest, law-abiding citizen, the right to defend himself.
22 months in Italy, Judge.
This isn't justice.
Your Honor, it's not a trial.
Order! Young lady, your father's civil rights have been scrupulously guarded. Without the protection of his civil rights, Officer Garsky could have broken into your home and seized that weapon without a warrant. Now, where is the warrant?
Well, Your Honor, there wasn't any. I wasn't aware that there was an illegal weapon. I confiscated it because we wouldn't have a case without it. I wasn't aware that the accused had used the weapon.
Officer, did Mr. Bunker volunteer that weapon?
I got it out of a magazine.
Did you give the officer your tear gas squirter?
I turned it right over to him.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't do that.
The officer walked all around our house, peeking in the drawers and in the closet till he found it in the pocket of Archie's coat.
Without a warrant?
You don't get a warrant with them squirt guns. They either break it or not.
I did not have a search warrant, Your Honor.
Case dismissed.
Huh?
Daddy!
Wait, Judge, I don't understand. You mean to say that you're going to turn me loose because this cop searched my house?
Yes, because to search your house without a warrant was in violation of your civil rights.
You ain't particularly smart, are you?